Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thanks for staying with me. Today I'm gonna make really simple cocktail and it's very delicious one. My one kind of favorite cocktails. Let's see the ingredients first. Today I'm gonna use my shaker and then I'm gonna use the standard whiskey glass in here. I'm going to use this glass today, the whiskey glass, and I'm gonna put some ice in it first. Okay, ice is ready here, so I'm gonna use my shaker today. The first thing I'm gonna put one ice cube in here. Great. So the interesting part is now in here, in the starting on. Okay. This is well, I'm gonna strain it on the glass. Using my strainer. Great. So garnish with lemon wood.